Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing something super practical. I will walk you through how to withdraw crypto from LSSC wallet and how you can send it directly to your Binance account. Let's say you have earned crypto on LSSC and now you want to move it to Binance for trading, converting to cash or sending it elsewhere. I know the process can seem confusing if you are new to crypto, but I promise once you get it right the first time, it is easy from there. This guide will help you to avoid the common mistakes, especially with the wallet addresses and network choices, which are super important when you are dealing with crypto transfers. So stay tuned, follow along, and let's get that transfer done smoothly. First of all, you need to open your Binance application. Over here, you need to simply just log in into your account. You can also follow the same steps on Binance.com. You need to simply log in into your account. Once you are here in your account, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the Funding option. Now, if you don't see the USDT amount here in your funding option, it must be in your spot wallet. So you will have to just simply get that from your support wallet to your funding wallet. For that, simply tap on this transfer option, then simply tap on this arrow option. Over here, tap on this drop down menu in the bottom, select USDT and tap on the max option. Afterwards, tap on the confirm transfer option, and this way you will get your USDT in your funding account. Even if it is in your spot account, you can definitely just use it for the deposits. Now over here, tap on the add funds option, then select how do you want to add the funds. So since we want to add it via the on-chain deposits, you need to simply tap on this option, select USDC and now select the network. So here you will have bunch of different options for the networks, but for LSSC I would recommend you to choose among the TRC20 network, the ERC20 network and Polygon POS. As soon as you tap on that network which you want to basically use, you are going to see your QR code and the deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here, and this is the address that you can use in order to withdraw the money from LSSC to your Binance account. Now you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for lightSHA.com. LightSHA.com, you must be using this website in order to gain the profits on your investments. So here you need to basically log in into your account by providing your login credentials. Now in order to get the withdrawal option, you can either tap on this My tab here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, or you can also come back on the home page where you will see the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. So you can simply tap on that too, and there as well you will see the withdrawal option. So tap on the withdrawal option and you will be now on the withdrawal address page. Over here you will have only three options, that are USDT on the Polygon network, USDT on the TRC20 network, USDC on the Polygon network. So since in the Binance account of yours you have selected USDT on the TRC20 network, you need to simply select the second option. Over here you need to paste the address that you have copied from Binance. Afterwards, tap on the conservation option here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to enter the amount, the exact amount which you want to basically withdraw from your LSSC account to your Binance account. Afterwards, you need to review everything, like you need to double check whether the deposit address is correct, whether the network is correct, whether the amount is correct, and after checking everything, simply just complete your transaction request. Once you have submitted it, you need to wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes until you get the money in your Binance account. If it is taking longer than this, I would highly recommend you to contact to the LSSC customer support team, and you can basically request them for processing it as soon as possible. You can also track your transaction with the help of the either scan.io for ERC20. For TRC20, you can do it on the tronscan.org. There you can basically paste the transaction ID and check the number of the confirmations. So once you see the transfer marked as successful, you need to switch back to your Binance account. Okay, once you are here in your Binance account, if you tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, if you tap on the spot option, you will just take a look at whether you have received your crypto or not. So once you have received it successfully, you have various options to use that USDT on Binance. You can basically use that in order to purchase other cryptos, like you can use to purchase BTC, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, etc. So you can tap on any one of these, tap on the buy option here in the bottom. Over here, enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase that coin or crypto. Then you can place your order. If you want to convert it to USD, you need to first of all sell it, and then you can get it in your bank account. If that's the option that you want to do, simply tap on the more option here on the home page. Select the option of P2P here on the top. Once you are here on this P2P page, tap on the option of sell here. Here you will see a bunch of different merchants to whom you can basically sell your crypto and get the money in your bank account. You can also select the currency here by tapping on this drop down menu in the top right hand corner of the screen. You need to tap on the sell option right next to the merchant that you want to select. Over here, enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Select the payment method. It can be your bank account or any other payment methods with the help of which you can basically get the money in your bank account. After that, simply click on the place order option. You need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully sell your crypto and get the money in your bank account. Now, the important tips that you need to keep in mind are you need to trade into the other coins like BNB or BTC. You can definitely do it on Binance. You can use Binance P2P in order to sell your crypto and receive the local currency in your bank account. You can also withdraw it to your bank account via the Binance Fiat gateways, but this option is available in the selected countries and region. Binance actually offers flexible withdrawal options depending on your country. And that's how you can safely withdraw your funds from LSSC to your Binance account without running into any kind of issues. If you have found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you would like to see the tutorials for any other cryptocurrency exchanges or wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Crypto.com or any others. A few of them I have created on the channel, which you can check out on the channel by searching for it. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.